It wants us to solve and round to one decimal place. And it's saying find 29% of 90. So that's the question right there. Now, we know that of means multiplication. And we know what 90 is. And if we write 29% into an equation, we're going to write it as a decimal, which is 0.29. Okay, and you could just multiply that right there and get your answer. But the way that I like to do this is direct translation, just so I know what's going on. I want to create a sentence. Find 29% of 90. And the sentence I create is, what is 29% of 90? And from here, I can do my direct translation. What, that's my unknown, x is equals 29%, I write it as a decimal, 0.29, of means multiply, and then 90. And now you see I have an equation, and this equation is already solved for x. My x is over here by itself on this side of the equal sign. So x equals 0.29 times 90. Let me get my calculator. 0.29 times 90 equals 26.1. Okay, now the problem asked me to round to one decimal place. But when I look at this, I already have one decimal place. Okay, so I don't need to round this. It already has one decimal place. Now, if it had more over here, if it had 1, 6, 3, 4, then of course I would need to round. But in this case, I've given them one decimal place like they asked.